And here we are, we're approaching Swagger Index. I think the amount of times that I've gone there, they need to be sponsoring me now. Whoa, look where you're going, you penis! And I just can hear the comments now on my Facebook videos and all my Insta and TikTok. Oh, pedestrians have priority, yeah, at crossings. Not when they blindly cross behind a frigging car. Hello. Why are you staring at me like that? I don't like it. It's scary. Scary, man. Stranger danger. Oh, legend. Cheers, mate. Cheers, mate. Well, that was then. Now the fun part of wheeling him about. Oh, that was no good. Saying I've got my own puck, so I'll be fine.